Hello everyone, I'm Poornima and welcome back to Amma's Healthy Recipes. The recipe for the day is a creamy and yummy chocolate ice cream made using leftover rice. Now, this is something that's easily available in every home. So let's check out the recipe. You can use any rice for this recipe. The rice is a bit reddish brown in color because we use a combination of red rice and white rice at home. When you add the rice paste, it kind of gives a very creamy texture to the ice cream, and also it increases the quantity. When you add wheat paste, the milk becomes thick very quickly in a matter of about 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't add this, then you will have to keep stirring for about 30 to 45 minutes until the milk thickens. So you can save a lot of fuel and time as well by adding the wheat paste. Once the mixture cools down, it becomes thick. If you want more sweetness to the ice cream, then you can add a few more dates. Just look how smooth and glossy the chocolate paste is. Yummy, tasty and creamy ice cream is ready. You'll not believe that this ice cream is made out of leftover rice and wheat flour. It tastes amazing. It tastes just like the ice cream made out of condensed milk and cream. It is just fantastic. Just try it out, guys, and let me know how it was. If you like this video, then subscribe, like, comment and share. And see you soon with a new recipe. Until then, bye.